I see you. I'm like you. I was really like you. One day after the next, we're just covering up, stuffing in the emotions, sucking it in, getting tough, breathing deeply, being positive, praying through it. My mom's favorite saying when I was little, buck up, girl. And what do? Push it right down in. We just hold it right there. And what happens? We become somebody we don't even really know or recognize. We have a face for other people that starts to feel like our own, but it's not really our own. It's the one that makes us comfortable in the crowd. It makes others comfortable around us. It feels like what we're supposed to be, but somewhere inside we're thinking, I don't think this really is me anymore, or maybe ever was. And then we keep the mask because it's convenient, because to be otherwise would really rock some boats, especially when we're confused about who the hell you are. And to go through the messy adolescence of the uncovering of what is really in there. I didn't even know anything was in there. I went to my first deep work event. I bought the ticket for my assistant. She couldn't go. There I was. And I was like, these people have issues. I don't have issues. I mean, when people say they don't have issues, that onion still has the hard shell. I still have the hard shell on my onion. I didn't know there was layers and depths. What the freak? It feels really scary to go there, but it's really super liberating. Because when we keep burying and we keep masking and we keep acting like it's not there, and we keep saying to ourselves, why isn't this good enough? And we lie directly next to our partner or a past partner and feel completely alone, unseen, unheld. It turns into disease or dysfunction. This is why more women have autoimmune diseases than ever before, because we are trying to put on these masks. We're trying to act like something else. What if we stopped and we started revealing? What will we do without our masks? Could we be free? Could we be uncaged? Could you start to become the person that no longer stuffed and that didn't have to wreck the world in the process, but got to be a little less of a masked version of yourself? It's scary. That's why we hold your hands. That's why you won't be alone. Yep. Welcome to your great reveal. No longer silently suffering. You get to be more you. And less masked. Even though the mask can be fun sometimes. Can also look a little